In this video, I will show you how to download and install Box Cloud Storage software in Windows 11. If you want to download and install Box Cloud Storage without any error, watch this video till end. Here, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, search Box Download in search bar. After searching Box Download in search bar, then press enter. When you press enter after searching Box Download, here you'll find download Box apps on all device. Click this link. After clicking this link, here you will find download Box Drive for Windows. Click this link. After clicking this, we have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, you have to click save. And here you can see when you press Ctrl+J in keyboard, our file is downloading. We have to wait until this process is completing. Next, we will install Box Drive. Here you can see we have just downloaded Box Drive. Now it's time to install it. Go where file is downloaded. Here you can see Box Drive. For installing it, right click on it, then click open. After clicking open, you have to click yes. And our process is running. And you can see we have downloaded and installed Box Drive. You have to just log in it and then you can use it. I hope this video helped you. If you want to open it, simply search in search bar Box. When you search box, here you will find Box Drive. Then click open and Box Drive will be open. If you have any doubt regarding this video, ask in comment box.